Hi! In front of me is Blackview tab 12 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll down to access Security. Then click on Screen Lock over here and pick the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or password. Finally, you can create it and choose Next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it in order to confirm it and tap on Confirm. Lastly, answer this question by tapping on one of those options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want any, so I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all and tap on Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!